Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, May 14th, 2020. Can you say it with me? Today is Thursday, May 14th, 2020. Good morning. And the temperature today is going to be 75 degrees Fahrenheit. It does say that it's supposed to rain, so hopefully it'll be nice enough that we can still go outside and enjoy the weather. Today's number is 162. Take a look. We have 100, 6 tens, and 2 ones. If I write it in expanded form, I have 100 plus 60 plus 2. Down here, I have the words 162. I can also think about it as 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 2, right? I'm writing it all the way out. Next, we have our quarter collection today. Today, we have 8 quarters. 8 quarters. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. So you're right, today we have $2. We could trade these 4 quarters in for a dollar. We could trade these 4 quarters in for a dollar. We have $2, right? So, thought I would show you. I could do it like this. I could take my quarters to the bank and I could get $2 bills, right? Who's on the dollar bill? You are right, George Washington is on the $1 bill. So I could get it like this. And I bet you a lot of you didn't know, but there is actually a $2 bill. I don't think they print these anymore. You'll have to look that up for me. I didn't look that up. I do not think they print them anymore, but there was such a thing as a $2 bill. And that is Jefferson, right? And you have our forefathers on the back. When we talked about the Constitution at the beginning of the year in November. Okay, we're gonna move on to our greater than, less than, or equal to. Today, I have some coins on here. I have some dimes over here, so let's count the dimes. 10, 20, 30, 40. Very good. You know, if we're counting dimes, a dime is worth 10 cents, a dime is worth 10 cents, a dime is worth 10 cents. Show me 10 fingers right now. So we know we have 40 cents over there. Now let's take a look over here. We have nickels. Let's count by 5s together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So we have 40 cents over here too, because a nickel is worth 5 cents, a nickel is worth 5 cents, a nickel is worth 5 cents. Show me 5 fingers right now. So we have 40 here and 40 here. If I have 40 cents and you have 40 cents, who's got more money? I know what you're yelling to me right now. You are right. It is equal. What we have is equal. Okay. Here's our next one we're going to talk about today. Here's our quarters. Who can count them? You're right. 25, 50. And over here, we have 2 quarters plus 10 more. So if I'm at 2 quarters and I'm at that 50 and I add 10 more, then you're right, 60. So we have 60 over here and we have 50 over here. Which one is greater, 50 or 60? You're right, 60 is greater, so we put the alligator mouth open. Guess what, I just drew it backwards. Goodness gracious me. We put the alligator mouth open to the 60 and we say 50 is less than 60. 50 is less than 60. All right, my next one, I have 2 quarters and 1 quarter, right? Over here I have 50 cents and over here I have 25. You're right. 50 is greater than 25. And my last one, I have 25 cents and 75 cents. I know I made them a little easy for you today, didn't I? 25 is less than 75. Less than 75. All right, we're going to take a look at our calendar. And yesterday, we were supposed to start at 66. And it says, there is Tad. You've jumped plenty, stop and splash, and fall back 20. So if he's starting at 66, starting at 66, and he's supposed to fall back 20. Here he is at 66, fall back 20, 10, 20. What's our ending number today? That day, sorry, yesterday. You're right, our ending number is 46. So we're gonna put a purple 46 up here. Remember, our hidden picture here, we're making something that Tad wants to eat. Making something Tad wants to eat. So we're gonna put our 13 back up. And now, today, we're starting at 46. And this is what they're telling us to do, to jump down 3 arrows. So that's adding 10 each time, so we're adding 30. So I can say 46 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, or I can say 46 plus 30. So let's look at the number grid. Here we are at 46. There's 46, and we're going down 30. 10, 20, 30. What are we landing on? You're right, 76. Our start number was 46, and our finish number today is 76. So we are gonna put a 76 on the number grid. And put this calendar guy back in here. Looking like something that Tad wants to eat. What do you think? We're getting there, all right. All right, so today I have a couple puzzles for you, and we are going to put in the missing numbers. Here's my number grid, and here's my puzzle. Okay, take a look. 13, 23, 33. Oh, I heard you say it. You're right. We're at 43. 43. What's next? Yep, 53. And I heard somebody shout it out, 63. There we go. Counting by tens, 13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63. And we see in this ones column that every number ends in 3. What kind of number is that if it ends in 3? All those numbers are, you got it, all those numbers are odd numbers. All right, here's my next puzzle. So my first number is 12. My second number going down is 22. What's my next number? You're right. 32, 42. What's my next number? 52. Now I already had 62 on the puzzle, so what's last? You are right. 72. Let's count by tens together. 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72. Okay, and we are in what kind of numbers here? Our numbers all end in 2. So what kind of numbers? You're right, even numbers. Okay, here's my next puzzle. My next puzzle starts at 53. My next puzzle starts at 53. 63. What's next? Do you want to tell me, Aiden, what's next? Next is 73, then 83. What's next?
93?
Good job, Aiden. 93. So let's count. 53, 63, 73, 83, 93, 103, right? Are our numbers even or odd? Oh, I heard you yell out odd. You're absolutely right. They all end in 3, so they are odd. Okay, 2 more puzzles here. I'm sorry, 1 more puzzle, and then we have some times. All right, counting by tens here, but we're starting at 55. So 55, what's under 55 on the number grid? You're right, 65. Now we have some others in there. 75, 85. Who's got that next number for us? You're right, 95. All right, let's count. 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105. And I heard somebody yell, those are odd numbers. You're right, they're odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, right? Odd numbers. Okay, last thing on our list here is times today. We have some times. All right, so first time that we're gonna do on the clock is 2 o'clock. Okay, so I know my hour is 2. And my minutes are o'clock, so it's 2 o'clock. Our next time on the clock is 3:30. So I know it is 3:30. Right? Next one is 5 o'clock. Short hands on the, oh, I heard you say it, 5. Long hands on the 12. Very good. Next time is 7:30. 7:30. So where should the hour hand be? Right, 7:30. And the minute hand is on the 6, right? Half of the pie. All right, next time is 9 o'clock. Oops, hip hop, hip hop. There's the time on the clock. There we go, 9 o'clock. Shorthand, longhand. Last one, 11:30. Where does my hour hand go? You're right, 11:30. And my long hand goes to the 6. 11:30, right? 11:30. All right, boys and girls. Hope you have a great day. And we're going to be doing lots more with the number grid next week. So I hope you were listening, and I hope you can move around the number grid. Thumbs up.